Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you a very interesting herb that is Sabah snake grass. Sabah snake grass is a plant that can be found in Malaysia and some parts of India and Southeast Asia. Its scientific and botanical name is Clinacanthus nutans. In India, it is called as Indian snake grass, while Chinese call it as Yu Zun cow. But the plant got its worldwide popularity from Malaysia, which is the reason why it carries Sabah on its name. It was in Malaysia where its health properties were first discovered. Scientists have already explored the different types of properties of this plant, but only one stands out. It's a potent antioxidant. When you say antioxidants, it is focused on preventing cell degeneration caused by harmful free radicals. When free radicals invade the body, it destroys your body's DNA due to severe oxidation processes. Antioxidants prevent this happening, while Sabah snake grass can very well supply you with potent oxidant elements. Clinacanthus nutans is often compared to green tea leaves due to its similarities in various aspects, such as their antioxidant content. Sabah snake grass antioxidant potency are studied to be lower compared to green tea's superoxide dismutase activity and phenolic contents. However, in a research study, according to Mingchuan University, Department of Biotechnology in China, Sabah snake grass leaf extracts are much more powerful than green tea with regards to the integrity of supercoiled plasmid DNA under ribflavin photochemical treatment. The plant possesses antioxidant and anti-proliferative properties that are clinically proven against the cultured cancer cell lines. This is the reason why many experts believe that Sabah snake grass is a great alternative for cancer prevention or treatment. However, more scientific studies are needed to back up these claims as proven treatment for cancers. Let me finally give you a quick summary of the advantages of taking Sabah snake grass. The first important advantage is it strengthens the immune system. Second, it lowers blood cholesterol levels, blood sugar, blood pressure, uric acid, etc. Thirdly, it is an anti-inflammation agent. It relieves arthritis, gout, etc. Fourth, it's good for kidneys, prostate, lungs, uterus, and many other organs, including the reproductive system. It prevents brain stroke and cardiovascular diseases. It is also powerful anti-cancer properties, and it slows down the aging process. And finally, it improves your skin texture. It also has weight loss benefits. It is a appetite suppressor, fat and calorie burner, and carb blocking properties. So in many ways, we see Sabah snake grass is used extensively in Malaysia and southeastern countries. So this is what we have in this episode. Thank you for watching this episode. A standard disclaimer, I would say that it's a Ayurvedic product. If you are using it internally or externally, please take the help of a medical practitioner who practices Ayurveda. Thank you for watching this episode. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Gardening is my love. Thank you.